Welcome back to Redline Power Machines. It's been a disgustingly long time since we've had any form of communication via this method. Figured I'd take you guys on a ride home in my 8.6. Honestly, you can see it's a fucking BRZ, but that's not as cool as an 8.6 in my opinion. I guess to catch you guys back up, it's been a long time, a lot of cars, blah blah blah. This is the new chassis that I plan on drifting. I still have the S13 coupe. I did pull the KA out and sell it to one of my buddies. So it's sitting at home on jack stands waiting for a new engine. But in the meantime, I picked this thing up to turn into the new drift car. I've already picked up yellow speed coilovers. Those are already installed. I've already got the heat maker angle kit for it, as well as GK Tech, tie rods. I'm waiting on the Kazama Auto lower control arms to come in. Once those are in, I'll take those, plus the GK Tech 2-inch spacers. Once those are all in, Kyle and I, Kilo the crew chief, will install everything. And once everything is installed, we'll do a quick alignment and then take it up to Beeline Automotive to get like a final alignment. Then we're either gonna go out to Evergreen for, I'd like to do a private day, but if they're pretty booked, then we'll just go out for an open drift day. I'd like to do a good test day out there before driving all the way out to Spirit Peaks, but it is what it is. If Spirit is the first day, I can go drift the car. I am not afraid to go fucking test it 3 hours away. Y'all know me. This car is a blast to drive though. Holy shit, unless you're stuck behind people who don't know how to use their gas pedal. So I honestly don't know what channel I'll upload this to. It will probably be the Redline Power Machines channel. I don't know how much on the like a Clutch Kick Poppy channel I plan on investing my time into. So I've been looking at picking up a BMW X5 with the third row to replace the Sequoia as a family vehicle. My oldest daughter, she doesn't ride with us that much anymore, and she's just at an age where it won't be long probably before she has her own car. So I wanted to get my wife into something newer and nicer, since that's going to be her main daily vehicle. Once she gets her license, I'll be daily driving the 8.6, as I really love this car. I love driving this car. I love everything about this car. Now let's see if this bus is really out or not. Sweet. If y'all look up there, and that white Ford Focus is actually Kilo the crew chief. I'll see if I can't make my way through. I'm surprised this fucking Lexus isn't peeled off over yet. Traffic pretty typically sucks leaving my work. Some of y'all already know where I work. For those of you who don't, I don't know that you need to know. Just know I have a job, okay? I feel like Tesla owners, Tesla drivers, they either drive, like Hellcat drivers or Prius drivers, with like very little in between. Oh, there's Kyle right there. Coming up on us. I kind of knew that because I was wanting to enjoy the drive home that these guys were going to go this way, and this guy was going to be a fucking penis queef. Don't know what that check engine light is for. I think it's a O2 sensor from, you know, exhaust or tune or cats, no cats, don't know, don't care. I need to take it to get it tuned or checked out. I was told the car had like 200 wheel horsepower. I don't believe that, but yeah. Are both you boneheads gonna go left? Nice E34, like that. Nice. Oh, come on, you jackass. Try to get some space. Just want to enjoy the drive. For whatever reason, people feel like they got to come to a dead stop right here to turn. All right, ladies and cunts, pulling up to the house. Much love.